So Dad, are you ready? Okay, let's go. Before you start this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share the video and enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Nikhil Creates. We are back with another travel story. So today we are heading to Sakleshpur, which is located around the mountain regions of Western Ghats in the state of Karnataka. So Sakleshpur is located at an elevation of 956 meters, and we are hoping that the temperature is somewhere around 17 degrees to 19 degrees Celsius. So obviously we're going to experience cool weather there because it's monsoon as well. We have stopped for breakfast at New Agarwal Bhavan. So this comes just before you take a left to the Bangalore-Hassan highway. So you'll get amazing breakfast here. So let's see what's there for breakfast. We have stopped at Hotel Anaga Grand just to take a small break. We'll be having coffee or tea and again continue the journey. We have reached and the weather is amazing. It's raining here. Today we are staying in GRK Resorts, which is 27 kilometers from Sakleshpur, and it is amidst a very dense nature. So yeah, it's pretty beautiful. We are heading towards lunch now. Mom, how did you like the place?
Very beautiful place.
Okay. We just finished our lunch and it was really amazing, to be honest, and I'm just in love with this place. This is the swimming pool here. There are activities like zip line, there is a trampoline, and there's also a ride that they provide in the morning for the sunrise towards the mountain, but currently they're not sure because it's raining, so they're not sure of the weather. So yeah, let's see if we get an opportunity to experience it. To talk about the pros, you'll get tea, coffee whenever you want. Like at least in the morning, there is hot tea and coffee available, and you can go to the dining hall, or the staff is going to come and get it to your room. So that is one advantage, and the food is pretty decent. I wouldn't say it's great, but it's pretty decent. To talk about the costing of this resort, they basically charge 3,500 rupees for breakfast, lunch, and dinner per person per night. So we are four of us, so we spent around 25,000 to 26,000 rupees. But the food is amazing, and the stay is good. But a few pros and cons is that you don't have a TV here, and the network is pretty bad. But it's an advantage as well, because you don't need your mobile phone if you are amidst nature. So it's purely to just chill out and just be away from the hassles of the city. So yeah. We've just come down for a walk. It's raining like crazy over here, and it's pretty cold to be honest. Uh, but yeah, we're just walking and exploring the resort. Good morning, guys. It is 6:30, and it is still raining out here. It is pretty cold, and I don't know when this rain is going to stop. I mean, it's monsoon; it's fair enough. But let me just show you the scenery outside. All right, having my evening cup of coffee with the beautiful weather. Cheers. So we had a tea just now, and we're heading back to the room. We'll just get ready, freshen up, and come and have breakfast. We'll be checking out today post breakfast and heading back to Bangalore. We had a great time. It was just one day, but it was amazing experiencing this monsoon weather in a hill station. So yeah, the resort stay was amazing. But there are a few cons, I would say. Like there is no TV in the room, and the lighting is pretty dim, and you just, I mean, can't take it. But the room is spacious and great for a family of four, I would say. And the view from the balcony is really great. And obviously, if you come in monsoon, the weather is amazing. If you want to just rejuvenate, it's the right time. But yeah, you will not be able to explore any other place outside, because obviously the rains, and the road is pretty uh, bad, I would say. So you'll have to consider all of these things before you head to Sakleshpura during monsoon, to be specific. We just finished the breakfast, and we are heading back to Bangalore now. Just on the way, we found a small river that's flowing. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends, family, relatives, and kindly support my channel, Nikhil Creates. Thank you guys. Signing off.